Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is still December 22nd, 2024. Coming to you from mobile headquarters. Got done with my 25-minute walk. Even though I'm not feeling good, I still wanted to get out and walk. It's kind of cold here. And on my walk, I was thinking about, even as a little boy, I wanted to do something that would help change the world. As goofy as that sounds, I don't know if I wanted to invent something or write a book about something or discover something or be a part of a team that discovered something. I didn't know what it was going to look like, but I always wanted to be part of a project or a team or an organization that was bigger than myself. And for those of you that know me and follow me, there's a group of 130 families in Guatemala City that we've been helping to support a little bit for the past 10 years. I've been down there 14 times, was there twice this year in 2024, going again in February. And we feed the hungry. We clothe those that need clothes. And again, it's a village, the same village that used to be 25 families and now it's 130. And I like doing that and raising support for that because it's something that's like bigger than me, right? Yes, there's always going to be poor in the world. Yes, there's always going to be hungry, but I always wanted just to make a difference. So I'm going to bring this back to Dabba Network. I found Dabba and they're based in India. Love India, love the Indian people, love Indian culture, love Indian food. And they're making a difference in their country, and they're going to spread to other countries, those that have no internet connection. I was surprised to find out that 5 to 6%, only 5 to 6% of people in India have internet connections, Wi-Fi, a router in their home or their office. And Dabba and the Dabba network has solved that problem. They're now providing cheap, low-cost, and reliable internet all over India. I shouldn't say that. They're in like 3 cities, maybe 4. But it's a ground floor opportunity. One hotspot is $199. Token launch 2025. Potentially that one hotspot could earn you the native token $500 to a few $1,000s, and you're helping people get hooked up to the internet. So to the Dabba team, I appreciate you. One day I will come to India and we will have lunch in the boardroom, wherever your office is located. But that's the video. Information below. My referral link is below. Again, proceeds from that. I didn't even know what I get for a referral sign up. Those funds will be used towards the 130 families in Guatemala. If Guatemala is an area of the world that's on your heart, send me an email at cryptomentor99@yahoo.com. cryptomentor99@yahoo.com. We can talk if you want to support me down there. If not, that's okay. But yeah, if you want to be part of something that's bigger than yourself, and Dabba is literally changing the landscape of India in reference to hotspots and routers, check it out. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being part of my crypto family, and love y'all. Bye-bye.